guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita and welcome to episode 1 of Friday Favorites with Ankita. I am starting this brand new series and I'm going to release video every Friday to stay connected with you guys and share my favorites with you. So in this video I'm going to share my 5 favorite non-fictional books and also I'm going to talk about my favorite gadget to read books. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till end. So जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं शायद उनको पता नहीं रहेगा कि मुझे बुक्स पढ़ना कितना ज़्यादा पसंद है एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन थिंग विच डिस्कनेक्ट मी फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड and get my imagination going. So I really love books and ये नॉन फिक्शन बुक्स आई थिंक बहुत लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा बोरिंग लगते हैं बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ स्टोरी एंड इट्स नॉट आइडियल बट दीज आर वेरी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड आई थिंक आई लाइक टू लर्न फ्रॉम द लेसन्स ऑफ अदर्स. So for me non-fiction books are a very good read and I have read many books and I think this video will be helpful if you are looking for inspiring, self-motivating or making or a book which will make change in your life. So definitely make sure you watch this video till end and I hope you will find it useful. So the first book I am recommending is Why Has Nobody Told Me This Before by Julie Smith and trust me this book is life changing. एंड जब मैंने ये बुक पढ़ी ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सच्ची में ये बुक मुझे बहुत पहले पढ़ लेनी चाहिए थी क्योंकि ये बुक में जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ जूली स्मिथ बताती हैं करने के लिए आई थिंक दोज आर वेरी रिलेवेंट फॉर एनी पर्सन. एक एक्टिविटी जो इस बुक में बताई गई है जो मैं आपको ज़रूर शेयर करना चाहूँगी एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी ईजी एक्टिविटी. तो आप क्या कीजिए, आप अपने पहले वैल्यूज़ आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए. वैल्यूज़ क्या होती है? वैल्यूज़ वो चीज़ होती है जिससे आप लिव बाय करते हैं, जिसके बिना आई डोंट थिंक कि मतलब आपको अगर ऑप्शन दिया जाए कि आप ये करेंगे या ये करेंगे तो यू विल टेक योर डिसीजन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट वैल्यू. सो लाइक वाइज कि इफ़ आई एम अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट पर्सन तो माई वैल्यू इज़ ऑनेस्टी एंड अगर मुझे लाइफ में कोई ऐसा काम करना पड़े जिसमें मुझे डिसऑनेस्ट होना पड़े तो आई वुड नॉट प्रेफर दैट एंड इफ़ आई एम डूइंग दैट ऑन डेली बेसिस दैन ओवरऑल मैं लाइफ में डिससेटिस्फाई होने वाली हूँ. तो ऐसा एक आप अपना वैल्यूज़ आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. आई थिंक 7 to 8 वैल्यूज़ आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. सो curiosity can be one value, adventurous can be one value, then loving nature can be one value या फिर caring nature can be one value. So you can identify towards family, towards work and what are your values which you want to live by and then you write down the long term objectives which you want to attain. So you can align your values and your goals in this manner and then daily activities which will help you to achieve your goals and which will abide by the values which you have written. So you have to align your values, goals and daily activity and then align your daily task with your values and long term objective. I think you are able to live your day better. So I definitely recommend you to read this book and try out the activities. And if you are one person who is getting demotivated or dissatisfied with life, you should definitely give this book a try and I would really like to hear your views about this book. So the second book I would like to recommend is Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert and honestly I had read this book only once and very recently but I really fell in love with that book and I think that book is my motivation to create this video as well because वो book में आपको बताया जाता है कि creativity के लिए आपको किसी के approval की ज़रूरत नहीं है and whenever idea strike you should just work on that idea if you like to do so. आपको कभी भी perfection के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए because perfection will kill your creativity and many more things. So Big Magic is one book which I would recommend if you are feeling underconfident or if you are not feeling like doing something which you would love to do. So definitely I will recommend that book and that book is life changing for the people who want to do a creative work or want to do a creative job. And even if you don't want to do that, but I think in our heart we all have some passion which we don't pursue because of one or the other reason and this book inspire you to continuously do that with your regular job also and with your other things going on in life also. So I would definitely recommend that book, and you should definitely check out that book. Moving on to the third book, which is there on my list, and this book is very special. I have read this book actually 15 years apart. So when I was starting my CA, I had read this book, and now recently I got this book again in my library, and this book is Discipline is Destiny, and trust me, it was relevant 15 years back and it is still relevant. And this book really motivates you to be disciplined in life. एंड आई थिंक उस टाइम पे भी मुझे ये काफ़ी बोरिंग लगी थी, और अभी भी जब मैं इसको पढ़ने गई थी तो मुझे काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टी हुई, बिकॉज दिस बुक is like a really small font, and I am honestly not a big fan of small fonts, but जो content इस book में है is very very relevant, and I really recommend you to read this. एंड ये बातें आपने शायद बहुत बार सुनी भी होंगी, बट व्हेन यू कनेक्ट इट विद द पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ पीपल, देन इट इज़ ऑल टुगेदर अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट स्टोरी. एंड दिस बुक रियली टेल्स you to just show up for the work, and if you are not feeling so, then also you have to get going. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ. आई थिंक रूटीन के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा हम जो भी सक्सेसफुल लोग रहते हैं उनसे सुनते हैं, और हम सोचते हैं कि वी विल ऑल्सो फॉलो दीज रूटीन्स, बट प्रैक्टिकली हमसे हो नहीं पाता है, एंड देन वी ब्लेम आवर डेस्टिनी फॉर आवर फेलियर. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ द केस, एंड आई ऑल्सो बिलीव दैट discipline is your destiny. So I surely recommend this book to you. So now I want to move on to next book, and I would also want to talk about my favorite gadget to read books nowadays, and this is this Kindle. I had recently bought this, and this is the best investment I think I have done. It had costed me around 10,000, and this is basic Kindle and has a 16 GB memory, but it is very convenient, and I've read many books on this. This comes handy when you are traveling. So before I tell you about my fourth favorite book, I would really like to talk about Kindle. And मैंने ये recently purchase किया, and I don't know, out of blue मुझे लगा कि I should buy it. So recently I was not able to read many books. मैंने बहुत सारी बुक्स खरीदी, but I was not able to carry them. या फिर मैं कैरी कर रही हूँ तो कभी कहाँ पर लाइट का इशू है या फिर कुछ और इशू है, and I was not able to actually consistently read, and it was bothering me. So then I bought this Kindle, and ट्रस्ट मी, मैं कहीं भी बुक पढ़ सकती हूँ. मैं 2 दिन में बुक ख़त्म कर सकती हूँ व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, या फिर मैं सोने से पहले रीड कर सकती हूँ. And it is the most convenient device, I think. If you are one person who is okay with not having a colorful book, then this device is really nice. इसका लाइट इतना अच्छा है कि अगर मैं सारी लाइट्स बंद भी कर दूँ तो आई एम एबल टू रीड इट. एंड मैंने बिग मैजिक पे इसी पे पढ़ी थी. एंड द फोर्थ बुक विच आई एम रिकमेंडिंग इज़ ऑल्सो आई हैव रेड ऑन Kindle. And this one device, if you can afford, I would definitely recommend you to buy. If you are a book lover, definitely. Otherwise it is waste of money for you, because then इसका और कोई भी यूज़ नहीं है, and it is not waterproof, which I have bought is not waterproof. So definitely you have to take care of it, and you can't use it roughly. So one of the disadvantage of Kindle is that So the fourth book which I would like to recommend you is this book, You Are a Badass: How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life by Jen Sincero. एंड दिस इज़ द बुक. एंड ऑनेस्टली ये बुक बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है, एंड मुझे टाइटल से लगा भी नहीं कि ये बुक मुझे शायद पसंद आएगी, बट वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कंटेंट क्रिएटर सजेस्टेड दिस, एंड आई थॉट लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड ये बुक बहुत ज़्यादा रेलिवेंट है इन द एस्पेक्ट कि इट डजेंट ओनली टीच यू अबाउट कि हाउ टू बी क्रिएटिव, बट ये आपको लाइफ के और भी एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बताती है. इट टॉक्स अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन, मेडिटेशन, एंड बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो शायद हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं या फिर हमें पता होती है बट कॉन्शियसली हम उन पर ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. एंड दिस बुक इज़ वेरी रेलिवेंट इफ़ यू वांट टू परस्यू लाइफ इन अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट and want to do good for yourself. So definitely book भी काफ़ी helpful है if you are underconfident, want to start something new and or elevate your life. So definitely I would recommend you to read this book. बहुत ज़्यादा स्पॉयलर्स मैं नहीं देना चाहूँगी, बट डेफिनेटली ये बुक आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेगी इन मेकिंग योर लाइफ बेटर. So moving on to my last favorite book, which is Atomic Habit by James Clear, and I had read this book I think 5-6 years back, and I currently don't have that book with me. I have given it to someone, but this book is very, very important in achieving your goals. So if you are someone who is looking to build a habit and you are not satisfied with the way you are carrying your life, then I definitely recommend you to read this book. So in this book, James Clear has given many ideas how you can build a habit, and also talked about why habits are important in achieving your goals. So James Clear in this book also states that habits are the way to success, and if you are building a habit daily, or if you are able to change your life 1% each day, then also in long run it will count. And he writes in this book that habits are the compound interest of self improvement, and small changes often appears to make no difference until you cross a critical threshold. The most powerful outcome of any compounding process are delayed. You need to be patient, and this is very true. If you are going to build a habit of exercising, then you won't be able to see the result in 2-3 days, but over the months, over the years, and over the decades, you get to see that yeah, that person is fit because he is daily exercising. So obviously habits are like compound interest. You don't see it result in first go, but over the years it counts. So that is all about Atomic Habits, and with this I am concluding this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also let me know which all books you like, and you can advise me the non-fiction books to read, and I would definitely like to read those books. And if you are a subscriber to Kindle, please let me know in the comment section.